Thank you, Madam President. I come to the floor today to once again sound the alarm against Republicans' efforts to throw the lives of millions of families into chaos and uncertainty, and to urge my colleagues to reverse course and join Democrats to protect people's health care before it is too late. A few weeks ago, President Trump and Republican attorneys general argued in court to create a health care crisis for families in our country. If Republicans win their blatantly partisan lawsuit, the consequences could be sweeping and devastating. Tens of millions of people who have health coverage through Medicaid expansion or the exchanges could lose it, as could many young adults who are on their parents' insurance. Over 100 million people with pre-existing conditions could lose protections that stop insurance companies from charging them more, excluding benefits they need, or denying them coverage entirely. Patients could lose protections that require insurers to cover essential health benefits like prescription drug costs, or maternity care, or emergency care, mental health care, and more. And limits on how much patients have to pay out of pocket could go away, while lifetime and annual caps on patients' benefits could come back even for those insured through their employer. Republicans have refused to acknowledge what's actually at stake now for the patients and families whose health they are putting at risk. And they have made it all too clear that despite the horrible consequences they are setting up, despite the lives they are throwing needlessly into jeopardy, Republicans are going to go full steam ahead with this reckless lawsuit to strike down health care for millions and without any plan to do anything if they win. Now, some Republicans have tried to dodge this fact by saying they'll figure it out after they win. That's an incredibly telling and incredibly alarming position. And it is about as comforting as an arsonist telling you he'll figure out how to rebuild your house after he burns it down. Here's an idea. How about Republicans put away the matches? Let's be clear. Republicans have no plan for the patients who lose their coverage, no plan for the families who see their health care costs go up, no plan for people nationwide who rely on these protections for pre-existing conditions that could be taken away. They have no plan for all the people who will be hurt by the damage they're fighting to cause, and families expect better. They deserve better. This is not rocket science. People want us to protect their health care, not take it away. They want us to bring health care costs down, not send them hurtling higher. They want us to fight for them, not against them. Republicans have made the wrong choice time and again. So I call on my Republican colleagues to stop this chaos, work with us, let us fight for patients before it's too late. The clock is ticking. Patients and families are watching closely. If Republicans and the Trump administration refuse to end this partisan lawsuit, families and patients will be the ones who suffer the consequences. And they will not forget the Republicans who stood by and cheered and let it happen. Thank you, Madam President. I yield the floor and suggest the absence of a quorum.
Clerk will call the roll.